Oldsmobile, Dave Orweiler. My phone number is 859-444-0995. I also have a separate video of a cold start. So again, it's a nice looking car, and I'll be posting it for sale. Again, a 1949 Oldsmobile with the Rocket 303 dual carbs and the very, very rare and unusual dealer hood. I had never seen one in any car show in my life until I bought this car, so that is a very, very rare feature and great for those who are into collectible Oldsmobiles. Again, 1949 Oldsmobile Rocket with the dealer hood. My name is Dave Orweiler, 859-444-0995.